what I would be doing is, whatever your sir would be teaching throughout the week, I'll be designing programs in such a way that you get hands on the concept of whatever is being taught in the class. Okay, so today I've kept it very simple, where it just you need to execute programs related to C, where I think I've also posted it in Classroom. You must have had a look at those programs. And those 15 programs you will be completing right away in the class itself. Since they're simple programs, I've given you 15. Otherwise, depending on the complexity, I will reduce the number of codes. A number of codes that you will have to execute. Okay, it may range from 5 to 10, where you will have to execute right away in the class itself to get the 20 marks. And next you will be having another assignment where you will have some time to think over the assignment, and you will be executing them over a period of a week and then submitting. So assignment carries 10 marks. So there we have finalized your 30 marks. Okay, so the remaining 70 marks would be 40 marks will be directly going for your end semester examination. Okay, so end semester examination, you will have Viva along with some programs that you will have to execute. So that is 40 marks. So we have completed 40 plus 30, 70. So the remaining 30 marks, you will be having, I would say, 2 tests. Okay, one test would be before your mid-semester examination, which would be for 15 marks. And the other test would be before I give your end semester, so that we divide the entire syllabus into 2 halves. Okay, and for end semester examination, what I will do is I'll be giving you certain prefix number of programs. See, I do not want to surprise you by giving new programs, mainly because I don't know how many of you are very comfortable with C. So the main idea for me is to ensure that at least you are able to code certain generic concepts, if at all they are asked. So you should be confident enough to code that part, because now everybody has shifted to Python and machine learning, and for machine learning, the concepts of data structures and algorithms are required. Okay, so for end semester examination, I will be giving you maybe around 20 programs, which will carry the concepts of the entire data structures, which you would have executed. So we will have that as end semester examination. I think August 14th, you will be reporting to college. So that time it will not be a problem. Okay, all the examinations, we're going to have it offline itself. So 30 marks, I hope it's clear, where it's continuous evaluation until your last lab. That 30 marks would be evaluated by the programmers in your Google Classroom. So there itself, you will be getting to know your marks. If at all you submit after 6 o'clock, then there will be marks deduction. So ensure that that day's work you're going to complete and upload it. Next one, how to maintain a lab record. That means that how to upload the documents. What you're going to do is you're going to open a Word document. You can use any online compiler. I would not say I'm not very keen on you have to use Turbo C or you have to use any other software that's available online that's for free. You can use whatever you are comfortable with. Online compilers are also absolutely fine with me. You can do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to type the program in the online compiler. You're going to copy that program that you have typed along with the question in the Word document, and then you're going to attach the screenshot of the output. So that clearly tells me that you have written the program, you have the question, and you've written the correct program, and with respect to this particular program, you have got this output. So no need to write your documents. I mean, no need to write your lab record. Okay? Understood? So you're going to open a Word document, and after you open the Word document, you are going to first copy the question that I have sent to you and write your code. Copy that code in the online compiler. If it doesn't execute, ensure that you make appropriate changes, and then ensure that you have uploaded the right program, copied the right program in the Word document. And then after the program gets executed, take a screenshot of it, the screenshot of the output. So this clearly shows us that you have the question, you have written the program also, and you have the answer. Okay, so this is how you're going to maintain for every class lab record, for assignment also, and also for the lab. Understood? So now, if at all you don't know, there are two lab programmers. Let me introduce them to all of you. First, let me share the screen so that you can also write this down, like who belongs to whom. Is my screen visible? Is this visible? We have, thank you. We have two programmers. One is Sarbeshwar Mishra, as well as another person is Shreyashri Mishra. Okay, so they are our lab programmers who would be helping you for your entire semester. Okay, so from roll number 101 till 1058, all of you belong to Sarbeshwar Mishra sir. Okay, so your lab programmer would be Sarbeshwar Mishra sir. So he is a person who would be evaluating your 20 marks as well as your 10 marks component. Okay, so from roll number 1011 to the last one, to the last person. 3,469. So for you, Shreyashri Mishra, madam, would be the lab programmer. Okay. Are the lab programmers present? Shreyashri Mishra, are you there? Sarveshwar? Okay, let me contact them. Fine. So now your row, I think I've made it more clear. Like I will be sending this document as well to all of you. So please open your classroom. I hope all of you have joined the classroom. And in the classroom, I have given today's lab content that you will have to submit, and the time limit is 6 o'clock. There are 15 programs that you have already executed, something like printing Hello World, calculating, calculators, very simple programs which you all can complete. If you complete well within the time, 5:30, then I will close the lab by 5:30. If you take 6 o'clock, then the time limit will be 6 o'clock. And after 6 o'clock, it's bound that we are going to leave the lab, and your component for the lab for 20 marks would be a little lesser compared to others, depending on the time that you have submitted. Okay. And one more important thing, learn the concepts very clearly with respect to data structures, because in the lab, I will be giving you programs that is from easy level to intermediate level. I won't be going to complicated level. Complicated level programming, I will be giving you once we complete this particular semester. Okay, so once the semester is completed, I will be handing over certain codes that you can actually execute during your, break. I mean the semester break. Is everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you. So now you can open and please start executing the code.